Most people would have thrown this away. I saw garden decor. Yesterday, while it was raining, I came outside and started working on a little spring outdoor project. Recently, we had some trees cut down, and instead of wasting all of that beautiful wood, I decided to shop my own garden. And honestly, I think sometimes we move too fast to notice the potential sitting right in front of us. Because gardening isn't always about buying more. Sometimes it's about using what you already have, seeing things differently, and building beauty slowly over time. This little project cost me absolutely nothing. But look at the difference it made. The garden feels warmer now, more intentional, more peaceful. Y'all are out here buying new plants when some plants will literally multiply for free. This is heuchera, also called coral bells, and dividing it is one of the easiest ways to add instant color to your garden. So remember, if your heuchera starts getting overcrowded, you can simply divide it. Each healthy section with roots can become a whole new plant. And just like that, instant color in the garden for free. When harvesting rosemary, cut about 4 to 6 inches from the top. Look for flexible stems, vibrant green growth, non-woody stems. Avoid cutting into the deep, old brown woody stems unless you're pruning or shaping the plant. That soft, newer growth has the best flavor and fragrance. It encourages the plant to branch out and become bushier, and it's easier to dry and use. Most people saw yard waste. I saw character, whimsy, and a free piece of garden decor. This garden has taught me that everything doesn't have to be brand new to become beautiful. And honestly, that lesson probably applies to life too. The logs create little display pedestals, and these Dollar Tree garden stones give the space personality. It feels like a tiny woodland garden gallery instead of just a flower bed. I love how it all turned out. If this video does anything, I hope that it reminds you that decorating your garden doesn't have to be expensive. Use what you have, get creative, and make the space your own. So next time you're about to throw something away, pause first. You might be looking at your next garden project. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.